Welcome, adventurers. Prepare to be amazed by a new concept that transforms the utility and appeal of recreational vehicles. This is the BMW Motorhome 2026, a futuristic idea that combines the unmatched elegance of BMW design with the practicality of a mobile home. Picture yourself speeding down the freeway in a vehicle that embodies BMW's recognizable, sporty, and sophisticated design. It would have the iconic kidney grille, dazzling adaptive laser headlamps, and aerodynamic, flowing body lines. Beneath this stunning appearance lies a powerful 6-cylinder twin-power turbo engine, or even a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid, PHEV powertrain that offers the perfect blend of rapid acceleration and exceptional fuel efficiency. Driving a high-end SUV instead of a full-size RV should be enjoyable thanks to this concept. When you enter, the dashboard welcomes you. It is a masterwork of design and technology. In line with BMW's cockpit philosophy, the dashboard is dominated by a huge curved display that combines a digital instrument cluster with a touchscreen infotainment screen. Help is always available thanks to a 5G connection, an AI-powered voice assistant, and engaging 3D navigation. Premium materials like carbon fiber and vegan leather are frequently utilized to produce a sleek and luxurious appearance, and physical buttons have mostly been replaced by haptic touch controls. The inside is a luxurious and cozy retreat. Whether you want a spacious living area or a quiet workstation, you can change the layout to meet your needs thanks to the design's high degree of adaptability and versatility. The RV's large panoramic windows on the sides let in plenty of natural light and offer stunning views. Along with LED ambient lighting that can be adjusted to create different moods, modern air filtering technology ensures that the cabin air quality is consistently fresh and clean. The bedroom in the back is a private sanctuary. The luxurious queen-size bed has a memory foam mattress, high-quality sheets, and an automatic retractable mechanism. Dimmed lighting, electrically operated smart blinds, and sound-canceling technologies all help you get a good night's sleep wherever you are. You may even store your own clothes and belongings in an inventive hidden cabinet. The arrangement of the bathrooms makes the most of the available space without sacrificing design. They have hotel-style showers with rainfall showerheads, water-saving composting or vacuum toilets, and modern sinks with LED-lit mirrors. Excellent waterproof materials and effective ventilation provide the maximum level of comfort. Not to be neglected is the kitchen, which is both visually beautiful and practical. Its compact design allows for modern comforts including a coffee maker, built-in refrigerator and freezer, microwave, and induction cooktop. The countertops are made of high-quality, long-lasting materials, and there is plenty room for imaginative storage of all your cookware and equipment. This 2026 BMW Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience. Are you ready to embark on your luxurious adventure?